Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Civic gear knob. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. You will need a few basic tools, such as a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. While specific steps might vary slightly between Civic models, the general process remains quite similar across many generations. Let's get started with the first step. The first step involves detaching the shift boot. Carefully pull down the boot collar, which is the plastic ring at the base of the knob. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry up the shift boot trim panel from the center console. Work your way around the edges to release all the clips. Once the trim is loose, unclip the boot and slide it down the shifter shaft to expose the knob's base. Now let's focus on the gear knob itself. Many Honda Civic gear knobs have a retaining clip or a small nut at their base, often hidden beneath the shift boot. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully release any clips you find. For some models, a 14mm wrench might be needed to loosen a jam nut. Once released, firmly grasp the knob and twist it counterclockwise. It may take several full turns to completely unscrew it. With the old gear knob removed, take a moment to inspect the shifter shaft. Clean off any debris or residue to ensure a smooth installation for your new knob. When you are ready to install a replacement, simply thread the new knob onto the shaft by turning it clockwise. Make sure it's snug and properly aligned. Finally, slide the shift boot back up and reclip the trim panel into place, ensuring everything is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.